Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean here, living the corporate pilot life. I am out here. We are finally getting this bird put back together and it's getting back in the air. But before we do that, we got to do a couple gear swings on it. So as you can see, it's up on jacks right now. It is up in the air. And so what we're going to do is we're going to swing the gear up and down and up and down. I think he said like 5 times, and let you guys see what it looks like. So I'm going to walk around the airplane a little bit and give you a close-up of what it looks like. The gear doors are going to open and close, and the gear is going to go up in the wells. So we'll show you guys what this thing's going to look like. So give us a couple minutes and we'll get it rolling. So you can see the flaps are coming up. You got to retract the flaps out of the dump position. There we go. You can hear that mule running over there. I've shown you guys that, what it looks like. All right, gear doors are open. Main is in. Door shut and door shut. Sealed up. The nose one came up. We'll walk up there and watch it come down here in a second. Doors open. Here comes the gear. See everything lock in place. Nice. There's the nose. All right, let's walk up front. Check the nose out the way it breaks up. Those doors pop open quick. Sealed up. The mains are still on their way. There's the mains sealed up. All right. Here they come. Notice how fast that thing drops down. That one drops down fast. All the while the mains are working their way down. Nice. That right main kind of takes its time getting up there. Seems to be the last one in the cycle, but it does it. Nice. Nice. All right, one more time. You watch the system break down. Perfect. All right, so there you have it, up and down, and you guys saw them happening. Really cool way this thing operates, the way it breaks the gear down and brings them up, and then the doors sequence all in proper phases. So it really works out really well. And I was just talking to one of the maintenance guys, and he told me that with the engine-driven pumps, with both of them running, you get a lot more flow with the RPM being higher, so it actually moves even faster. So those nose gear that you saw moving really fast, what I thought was very fast, he said it's even faster when you're actually using the engine-driven pumps to make everything happen. So since they're using the mule with just one of the pumps, it's a little bit slower. But like I said, for me, it seemed very fast. So very cool. I appreciated these guys letting me get this stuff on video, and hopefully you guys appreciate it as well. Check us out on the rest of the videos. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me some comments. Subscribe if you're new, and keep living the corporate pilot life. We'll see you guys on the next one.